My name is Jacob Curley. I am studying the industrial maintenance program at Hill College. I took a couple of dual credit classes in high school, and it was just not the fact of it being easy, but it was like, if I could do this in high school, and then what are my possibilities in the future, you know? You have to try hard, you have to push, and you can't just show up. I work with my hands a lot, and I couldn't find a course that was more lab-based. It was all classroom-based. My favorite thing about the industrial maintenance program is the fact of everybody is not necessarily standing over you with a ruler waiting to slap your hand. It's more of like more of a teacher to a student, where they kind of encourage you to do better instead of just another student. I would say my career plans and education plans definitely do not stop after an associate's degree through industrial maintenance. And one thing that it's always kind of been a dream of mine to own my own business. So I know there's going to have to be some financial courses that I'm going to have to take. My name is Jacob Curley. I'm studying industrial maintenance at Hill College.